Hey guys, how's it going? Today I'm going to show you how to create and manage LinkedIn business page. So LinkedIn is an amazing website and a powerful marketing tool for any business, particularly in the B2B landscape. Over 80% of B2B marketers consider it a gold mine for generating a high quality leads, connecting with peers, and building their professional network. A strong presence on LinkedIn provides your business with a professional digital presence and an opportunity for your brand to be seen by 930 million members and 75 million businesses. So one of the key components of building your brand on LinkedIn is to creating a LinkedIn business page. And this page serves as a hub for your company to showcase your products or services and share valuable industry insights and attract more potential clients or employees. If you are new to LinkedIn and want to optimize your LinkedIn business page, you need to create your own LinkedIn account by using whether Gmail, Facebook, Apple, whatever it might be. You can sign up with those accounts basically. So in order to set up or create a LinkedIn business page, what you're gonna do, you're gonna just go ahead and click right here for businesses at the top right. In the top right, what you're gonna do, you're gonna scroll a little bit down, or you need to scroll a little bit down right here, and you will need to find, create a company page basically, right? So after you find create a company page, what you're gonna do, you're gonna just go ahead into creating the page type that you want to create, and then a new page comes up next with the 3 different options and type of page that you actually prefer. So if you want it to be educational institution, whatever it might be, you can just do that from there, right? So basically, after you've done that first step, you need to fill in your page identity and basically add the name, LinkedIn public URL, and the website basically, right? And afterwards, input your company details, right? And now what you're going to do, you're going to just go ahead and input your company details, the industry, company size, and company type. And the last thing is upload the logo and a tag line. And I want to add another thing is you need to fill out your LinkedIn profile, by adding more information about that. So basically, that's it. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.